In this video, I'll show you how to connect external speakers to LG TV. Step 1. Choose your connection method. Use an HDMI cable to connect the speakers via HDMI ARC. Alternatively, you can connect using an optical cable if HDMI ARC is unavailable. Bluetooth connection can also be used if your speakers support it. Step 2. Select audio output on TV. Go to settings on your LG TV, then under sound out, choose the correct audio output device. Set the sound output to either HDMI ARC, optical or Bluetooth based on your connection. Step 3. Test and adjust the volume. Play content on your LG TV and check if the sound is coming from the external speakers. And adjust the volume on both the speakers and TV. If needed, you can go back to settings to tweak the audio options. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.